Welcome to Smart Finance Investor. Today we are diving deep into a fundamental topic that's crucial for achieving financial success: understanding the difference between needs and wants. Whether you're just starting on your financial journey or looking to fine-tune your spending habits, this video is going to be an eye-opener. So, grab your notepads, because we are about to empower you with the knowledge that can truly transform your financial future. Part 1. Defining needs and wants. Let's begin by laying a solid foundation for understanding the core concepts of needs and wants. These terms may seem straightforward, but a deeper exploration reveals their profound impact on our financial choices and overall well-being. Needs are the fundamental elements essential for our survival and well-being. These are the things we can't live without, the basics that provide us with safety, sustenance, and comfort. They encompass the roof over our heads, the food that nourishes us, the clothes that protect us, and the means to get from one place to another. On the other hand, wants are the desires that enhance our quality of life but aren't critical for our survival. These are the items that make life more enjoyable and exciting, often driven by trends, societal pressures, or personal preferences. Wants encompass the latest gadgets, high-fashion attire, lavish vacations, and anything that adds an extra layer of luxury to our lives. Part 2. The impact of impulsive spending. Now that we've established the difference between needs and wants, let's explore a topic that has the potential to significantly impact your financial journey: impulsive spending. We've all been there, that rush of excitement when we spot something enticing, the allure of the "buy now" button, and the temporary satisfaction of making an impulse purchase. Believe it or not, the collective impact of impulsive spending is staggering. On average, people spend thousands of dollars each year on impulse purchases. These unplanned expenditures might seem harmless in the moment, but over time, they can add up to a substantial drain on your financial resources. Think about it. Those spontaneous splurges might provide fleeting happiness, but do they truly align with your long-term financial goals? The answer is usually no. Impulsive spending often leads to buyer's remorse and regret, eroding the potential to invest in things that truly matter. To put it into perspective, let's consider an analogy. Imagine your financial journey as a marathon. Every dollar spent impulsively is like taking a detour during the race. While it might be exciting for a moment, it can ultimately prolong your journey towards achieving your financial milestones. So, how do we tackle this challenge? It starts with awareness and a conscious effort to differentiate between spontaneous wants and deliberate needs. By recognizing the impact of impulsive spending and choosing to prioritize what truly matters, you can ensure that your financial journey remains on track. Part 3. The power of prioritization. As we continue our journey through the world of personal finance, we arrive at a pivotal concept that can revolutionize your financial landscape: the power of prioritization. This is where understanding the difference between needs and wants truly comes to life, as it enables you to make intentional choices that align with your financial goals. One of the most effective tools for practicing prioritization is creating a budget. A budget is like a roadmap for your finances, guiding you towards your destination of financial success. It's an allocation plan that divides your income into different categories, ensuring that your needs are met before addressing your wants. Part 4. Tips for practicing discernment. Now, let's equip you with some practical strategies to help you discern between needs and wants in real life. The 24-hour rule: before making a non-essential purchase, give yourself 24 hours to think about it. This helps prevent impulsive buying and ensures you're making intentional choices. Value versus cost. Consider the long-term value of a purchase. Will it still bring joy or benefit you in the months to come? Sometimes, it's wiser to invest in experiences rather than material possessions. Prioritize debt reduction and savings. If you're grappling with debt or striving to build your savings, focusing on needs and cutting back on wants can expedite your financial progress. Your financial journey starts here. Congratulations! You've just unlocked one of the most powerful keys to financial success: understanding the difference between needs and wants. By making intentional choices, prioritizing wisely, and staying focused on your long-term goals, you're well on your way to mastering your finances. Thank you for joining, and if you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more financial wisdom, and ring that notification bell. Remember, the journey to financial freedom begins with small, mindful choices. Until next time, stay financially savvy.